This is a video of a humpback whale recorded by tourists just off the coast of Busia in the Western region. It shows the huge mammal jump several times, diving back into the ocean. Its heavy weight causes a splash. It is a sight to behold.
A lot of whales come to the shore here, especially between August and September. Around that time, the sea becomes warm. With that temperature, they come closer to the shore, and it is beautiful to watch.
Busia is one of the few places where whales still come to display like this at the shore in Ghana. But now they are dying, and in their numbers.
They're still here, but not as many as they used to come.
James Quayson has been a fisherman in Cape 3 Point for years. Last year, he left the job because his fish catch had dwindled so much, going to sea no longer made economic sense. Akwesi McLaren has been organizing whale watching tours in Cape 3 Point for years.
Different oil leaks coming from the oil and gas are definitely a threat. I've spoken to some people with the oil and gas, and they said, well, you know, with this kind of work, there's always a threat. After, it's a question of how quickly they can respond and contain the problems. Also, we have had some different trawlers that have happened in the past, which I've seen less activity of as of now, and the way that their fish catching techniques, which aren't necessarily following the legal practices, those kind of things can also be wounding, for example, the whales.
I am on the sea with people who still fish here, like 35-year-old John Yankee, trying to find a whale. We have been traveling for over an hour and already done like 10 miles on the sea. We do not find any whales, to our disappointment. John says this is strange.
This is supposed to be the season for the whales to come around. We used to see them, but now the big trawlers and those who use lights are killing them, so they do not come again. Those practices have affected our own work as fishermen too.
Wow. Last year alone, more than 80 whales were found dead on the beaches of Axim, which is only a few kilometers away from Cape 3 Point. Local fishermen here fear their job is on the line, and along with it, the lives of many whales who used to be a spectacle to watch on these coasts. Justice Bedu, Joy News, on the seas in Cape 3 Point.